Hey friends, if you wish to change the username in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Control Panel in the Windows search bar and go to Control Panel. Now change this into large icons. Scroll down and click on User Accounts and then click on Change Your Account Name and then give it a new account name and then click on Change Name. Okay, let's see if it has actually changed. I'll right click on the Start button. I'll select Settings. The local name has actually changed. Now for changing this name, you'll have to go to accounts. You'll have to scroll down and click on your info. You'll have to click on manage accounts. Okay. And then you'll have to go to your info tab on this page and then click on edit name. And then we can change this one. Okay. And then you'll have to enter the captcha as well. Okay. Okay, so it has changed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.